press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's one, we're going to create this beautiful summer punch makeup look. So let's get into it. That was it for the video today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, we have a surprise for you. You can join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link, like always, is down in the description box, so do check it out. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!